Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Dhimas Anwar. I'm from Mathematics Education at State University of Jakarta. And I'm going to talk about what is math, why you should learn math, and how to learn math. Okay, let's go. Okay, first, what is mathematics? Mathematics comes from the Greek mathema, which means knowledge, thinking, and learning. In general, it can be interpreted that mathematics is an exact science that deals with thinking and reasoning. Mathematics is one of the sciences that underlie human life. From the beginning it was discovered, mathematics continues to develop dynamically along with the changing times. Mathematics is one of the sciences that is widely used in everyday life, both in general and in particular. Mathematics is applied in almost every aspect of life, and that's why mathematics is also called the queen of science. Mathematics is divided into six branch of knowledge. Uh, there is arithmetics. It learn about basic math such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, percent, and exponent. And then we have trigonometry. It learns about angles, sine and cosine and tangent, and many more. And then we have geometry. It studies about volume, area, shape, and architecture. And then we have calculus. It studies about limits, integrals, derivative, and series. And then we have statistics, which also called as the modern math, which studies about data. And then we have algebra, the unifying thread of almost all areas of mathematics. Okay, next is why. Why you should learn mathematics. Because mathematics is around you. For most people, math is the most frightening and avoided subject. Why? Because it is considered a difficult and boring lesson. Unfortunately, from elementary school to high school graduation, we always meet the same thing as mathematics. Then why is mathematics always studied? And is it that important in our life? Because math is around us. From you cut pizza into same pieces and how much the discount the store gave you until how high the building is made, everything is involving math. Mathematics is like the language used by humans to understand the universe, from the movement of objects as small as atoms to super large objects like black holes, all of which is calculated using mathematics. And mathematics is also what led human civilization to the modern era. Imagine if mathematics was never discovered, maybe other sciences such as physics, chemistry, biology, and science and economics have never been discovered either, which means that there will also be no advanced technology like today, and human civilization will continue to be primitive. Not only that, learning mathematics is also very good for the brain. When learning mathematics, the left and right brain will work at the same time, so that by solving math problems, your brain will be trained to think logically and creatively and make problem solving skills better. It's no wonder that mathematics is studied at every level of education, from elementary school to high school. So if you still think that mathematics is just calculation and formulas, let's change the perspective that mathematics is a very important and also a fun science. Okay, here's the quote from Danica Keller. Math is like going to the gym for your brain. It sharpens your mind. Okay, next is how. How to learn math. Have you have you ever really hated math? Math feels really painful, especially if you want to take a test. It's too lazy to even touch the book. Maybe if we don't hate math that much, school will be better. Learning won't be a burden. Well, here's I want to give you tips to make it easier to learn math. And here's the tips. Okay, first, try to get rid of mental judgment about mathematics. Um, for example, you think mathematics is difficult and boring. You have to remove that mental judgment about math. As long as you don't get rid of those negative thoughts, yes, you will continue to hate math for a long time. Okay, secondly, avoid associations that make you hate math even more. Don't listen to friends who ask you to skip school or gossip about teachers who don't like teaching them. Okay, and last but not least, get used to learning from a variety of sources. It's okay if the way teacher teach at school is not good. Don't hate math. Try looking other learning resource. For example, on the internet, there are lots of online teachers who teach fun, so you can understand math better through that source. Thank you. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you for clicking this video and see you guys and bye bye.